fielders stop the balls, encourage the bowlers. Okay, so don't give extras, don't misfield. We can control it. Okay, so they have to score 8 per over. Okay, so we can easily contain them. So Chirag will come later. So Rahul will join as well. Okay. So first ball, Samvid and the Samrud will start. Samrud will start the first over. So the Chirag, you three have to bowl in the power play. Okay. So power play maximum in the 8 overs we have to do for 40 runs. If you contain that, then next we can easily control spinners. We have two spinners, so they will control after this. Then Shashank is also there. We can bowl. Kushal can bowl, so we can stop. Ishan is also there. We'll see. We can stop it. Okay. So yeah, we can also bowl. Then 11 of them bowl. I will tell wicket keeper to come and bowl. 3, 2, 1. Come on, boys.
Rahul, Rahul, you come to deep. You be in the deep. Samved, Samved, Samved. You and Rahul outside. You and Rahul outside. Samved and Rahul outside. Then you be inside. Samved. You be a third man.
rarely she will get that opportunity. Sit, sir.
That's fine.
No, this one, wait a minute. No extra, Samrad. Let them play. Let them play. Come on. Keep it in offside. Last match, these kind of balls they left.
That's what. No. Yeah, okay. They left it, but still extras.
Now
we
only
control
three
it.
extra.
So just simple bold third fourth stump. That's it. You get wicket.
Control man, no extras. Let them play. Come on.
Getting nice pace. Moving the length also is good.
Last match, last death overs he gave 2 runs, 3 runs, 3 runs. 3 overs he was in the death and gave only 8 runs.
See, this is the time you'll get wickets. If you're just putting on third and fourth stump, right, you'll get wicket.
Bowling day.
He was bowling over there, right?
Yes, sir.
He was bowling there next.
No, that is other Shiva. He is
Yeah.
mid off.
He has nice pace. He has nice incoming.
Ah,
All these balls are coming this way.
the only problem is in the mat he is not bowling. That's he will do nice.
Over there was this mat only, but it was really nice.
Swing he will do. In swing he will do.
He'll swing. Naturally he'll swing.
But the action was for him to become like this.
Yes.
Last match that boy's ball only they scored around 40 runs in 4
Oh,
overs.
is it, huh?
That boy. Because of that only.
Get a catch.
One over I told the slip I kept and came.
Ah.
If it slippers the
It
catch.
was a catch. See, simple length. Okay,
First
simple
over,
line
yeah.
actually. Third, fourth stump. That's it. You get wicket. They're all trying to hit cut only.
Take a chance.
Naturally it will be
Immune system will come on.
here in Bangalore nobody used to play. Rarely she also see today she
It's
Gets
natural,
an
human
opportunity to
natural
play.
psychology to play. We don't allow it.
हाँ बंदे.
then after 1 over you go inside let him come out. Rahul only 1 shot of now. You go inside inform to the field and let him come out. After the same field you replace him.
Yes.
No leave it, keep the ball clear, let him come out. Be little wider, Darshan. Samved! Change the ball! They have to adjust for this.
Come on, next over.
Hey, you be there, go there. You stand next to him, send him outside and do that.
Wider only.
Let him come out. Go there. I'll replace him after. Once you are going in, inform to the field.
See,
Catch! Last match, this two only they stopped. 2 boys. The two. But what happened last over, that bowler is under. Then that Talba you told, no? He did. They played. He did wide plus boundary.
but extras are more. The control and extra is
Samved, keep it in offside, ma. Don't give shot.
NRP is not taking it.
yeah, still okay. Even if he balls this right, he will not be able to hit.
No, if he takes the run up, he bowls faster.
Huh.
Like first bowler, he did know.
Huh.
His ball is all like same pace.
Acha, okay, okay. He's a good.
Yeah, just class only. He's also.
That's what so big high did I?
Because of his tall, they asked the date of birth last year. Then
You asked him to?
they asked to check the date of birth because he is tall, no?
No,
So
but
they check. Ball
Pranav,
same class.
Pranav, I told, we were talking right, he played for zonals. They were all together with JC and then he went to Samruddhi. Samprasiddhi. That guy is taller than who is bowling and he's not, he's 1 year younger to Josh. He's so tall and his ball, he will ball right, he will ball from
Sir,
here.
you have seen no, our student one boy Arnold.
Was
He, you know what is the date of birth? He is 2011 October.
October.
He is still 2011.
He's still under,
under 14 for KSA league.
He will
also.
play for 14. Yes. But he goes to this one, right? Rahul Dravid.
Traveled through there only, but he is out of. He board a flight to Netherlands. Day before.
He was from the location.
Otherwise, he could join.
He's good batting also, no?
Sir, his batting power. You
Power
see
is there.
But
I saw
he
he
will
hit
hit
6
to
over here.
that
I know, I saw.
2011, sir, October. That form is there. No, not this one. This next one. He will hit there 6. Sir, in 13 years. 13 years. Sir, in covers and point also, he is hitting that outside, sir. He's speed. We even I can't hit that power. His pace is 135.
Utilizing that.
His hands and all are so bigger than me, taller than me. And the one more problem was that the club they are not allowing him to play any matches.
No, but Eddie is coming, no? Playing.
No, him.
Huh?
Him.
Because they want him to go out and play with them only.
Yeah, they are not allowing him to come.
That is not good, no?
Weekend also what they are doing, they are taking him for MC
Oh, it's
to bowl to the players.
players, huh? Then?
Even he used to bowl to the Sai. Everyone they come to MC, no?
Huh.
He has bowled for them.
Huh?
Sai Darshan, everyone.
Then it is good.
So he has in club also he is going for under 19 budget.
Acha.
Because for him under 14 and
So
15
you will
batch,
play
no
with
use.
Anvit Dravid batch. He's going to play with Anvit Dravid.
For him no use of playing with under 14 batch and 15 batch. For his growth. Samraj, no extras. Come on, boy. Keep it enough. Hello? Ground left. Huh? காலையில வந்துட்டு 7 மணிக்கு. ஆமா, வரையா? என்ன பண்ற? ஃபோன் பண்ணாங்க அவங்க ஸ்கூல்லேருந்து. சரி இல்லை மெட்டீரியல் எடுத்து ஃபோன் பண்ணுவாங்க. மெட்டீரியல் எடுத்து ஃபோன் பண்ணுவாங்க.
Oh, no.
சொல்லி வந்த சரி. வரதுனா வா. இல்லையா இல்லை.
Okay.
That's it, see. Don't give extras, ma. That's it.
நான் தேனி சார். நீங்கள் சார்? நியர் மதுரை. கேட்சா? Came leg side, sir. Good try, Shreyas. Come on. Now he is bowling. No, he is in Azad. Now 1 month he is staying here for this match and here he is doing coaching. 1-to-1 session. For that 1 month. For 2 years before he has come to JC.
He was in JC.
By the time only he and the boy and Sambit become friends. So he is staying in Sambit's house only. Now it's fast. Right. Boys, keep it in offside. You're giving. You kept all the field that side and bowling here. Oh, Irif is only playing around 230. He is the important batsman for the team.
No, that Ved also plays.
Ved.
Ved has strength in his body. So but he has a lot of weaknesses. Okay.
But this two only, Ved and Irif.
Ved has a lot of weaknesses. Okay.
Others and all not
If
that.
you put space or slower.
That's one easy. Fielding here. Lovely fielding. That's one. Give it up, baby.
Keep it in offside, ma.
If he's bowling that, his natural ball, all ball are coming naturally over here. This should go inside and bring 1% over here. You get a catch in your gully side, this side actually.
Square leg you can keep that.
Yeah, square like just this side of the umpire actually. You get catch. Last week 2 catches square leg only. Main batsman. That's what. He was hitting the glance and everything. Okay. He just changed. I was deep. Just moved to square leg. 2 easy direct catches.
For your match.
My match.
Where you are playing, sir?
We have our team, UBCC.
Where you are playing?
See, we used to go to Sinchara.
But Sinchar I played once.
That is the AstroTurf. It is very small ground. Now we are going to Avyukta. I told you, right? Avyukta is over here. Yeah, we are playing over there. So this weekend, no matches. Next weekend, mostly we have matches.
Sinchar high scoring when it's.
Sinchara is high scoring, but over there, you enjoy bowling. Out. You enjoy bowling over there. If you're a good bowler, right? Oh, ball comes so nicely actually.
But from over the wicket, that releasing point is not
It's
cement.
cement and it has come up a bit.
Yeah.
3 grounds.
I used to play for the umpires team.
अच्छा
Umpires also their team. So they playing tournament. They play.
सिंचरा
Sinchara. So first of all, no, the cement. That's it for you. And just a touch only timing it will go.
it's a small ground. It's basically a tennis ground. Okay, it's a for tennis ball ground it is.
It is also Wilson ball. Okay. Vicky ball it will go.
Vicky red ball no, it will go on.
Wilson. only.
Wilson.
My father's friend owns Pakistan.
Avita. What is his name? Chaman sir. I know him Chaman.
Yeah, he's there.
Oh, your father going to play over there? What is your father's name?
Shashi.
Which team he plays with Chaman's team or
Don't touch us. It's part of it.
GCC?
The captain.
Shashi, right?
Yeah.
Last we played with Royal Bangalore.
Yeah, Royal Bangalore.
No, Shashi was playing Royal Bangalore? No, he was not playing. Oh, Prestige Royal Bangalore. Okay.
Oh, PRGP. Your dad is playing. Yeah, once they told me.
But not now. He did not go to today.
Now they are playing league. Here now their team has registered.
And Jabbarapur,
Sinchara, no? Bottle I எடுத்துட்டு வா.
So Raghu and Chaman, right? Both have that once the turf comes out, right, it will be superb. And the grass is going very nicely. You seen the turf ground?
their sprinklers and
You saw the grass it is? Recently I've been there. You should go and see. It's like lush green. It's so lush green, you feel like you've been to JCA ground. JCA ground you've gone, right? It's that green actually. It's grown, they will trim it out, but it is grown. Maybe in next 1 month they can start match over there once they start preparing the turf. Very nice one. Hey, come on man. You cannot do that. No, yaar. No.
Hey, leave it!
Hey,
Boys! Leave it! Don't argue! For this. This and all bad luck.
how big the pitch is going up, no?
pitch is going up. They have mat only, right? See, can keep this inside. Let him bowl that line only. Let him go over. He will get a catch, 100%. The pitch is the mat is nice.
It's nice weather.
It's nice actually. They're maintaining that. They remove the mat when it rains. They're covering it properly.
Samanbai was a pilot.
He was a pilot. He was in Air India. Then went to Air Asia, right?
Yeah.
I met him 2-3 times.
He's
We
a
met
really
him.
good batsman.
He's a good batsman. But tell him if you know him, right? UBCC, UBCC team, and plays with Sunil. Our captain is Sunil. So one match against Royal Bangalore. So he was not in playing too well. All of a sudden they asked him, Chaman is in playing too well. And he said he don't even feel how to bring him playing too well. No, he's impact player. But that, if he would have played, we would have lost that match. But second ball he got out in the slip actually. And you were telling Chaman, see this is what you did. But he plays very nice. Next match I saw him. Easily picking in 4-6. So we should see that ground. You can register if you want your team also, right?
How much they are?
I told you, right? Comes per match comes to around 400, 500 around that much.
Our problem
30 over.
only if it is a leave days our team will be there because half of them
Saturday, Sunday. You tell, you register your team and you say my team is available, he will arrange the matches. Just like over Mars over here. The ground is good actually. It's the two grounds which are prepared.
batting or
Mat only. They are still not, grass is not there. The third is making proper turf. Sprinklers are put up, it's lush green now.
catch it,
Darshan.
Darshan, look at the ball. Easy catch. You went front. It was a catch. Here no boundary line only.
Sir, if I come also, I can't catch that.
Why?
It's four. It fits here.
If it were in a line, it's a catch.
Sir, he said third man, you come front.
E. 2 steps you run, you could take it. I made you to stand in the boundary line.
Sir, he said come front.
You be in the boundary line.
That's not
is taking on leg side. Using the pace of the ball.
He is the top batsman. That's it. If this week I don't know the next only wait on the one or two batsmen. That's it.
He'll play or not play. Yeah.
They won't. They all will be just going with the striker. Party.
Samved, if he is bowling leg side, keep a fielder here. You guys are giving extra runs.
He is strong in leg
ನೀನೇ
side.
ಅದೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ
Kushal, come this side. Somewhere this side, little this blue cone area. Somewhere that side, don't come this side. Blue cone. The blue cone. Go from the boundary line. Here. Come this side. Somewhere. Go from the boundary line. Don't be inside. Always go from the boundary line. You guys are giving lot of boundaries. Enough. See you. Come back.